you are brushing us today. We've had a busy evening of chewing different foods, and we'd like to take the time to say thank you to you and your toothbrush for brushing east to west and north to south. Your teeth are really special, each one of us unique, and there's 20 of us in your mouth. Like these ones here, incisors at the front, those ones there, big molars down the back, these guys here, pointy cane, they're very sharp, little bit like Dracula. We love it when you tickle us with your toothbrush, so please don't rush. Take your time when brushing. Dental hygiene is so important. We do it every morning and at night. It never hurts to gargle, some dental floss is good. It's the way to keep your pearlies white.
It's amazing! I never knew my teeth could sing.
Me neither, Maddie. And they are the most tuneful bunch. All those white and pearly singing together in perfect harmony. There's only one thing missing.
What's that?
Toothbrush solo. Ooh!
Go Triggs!
That is some truly amazing brushing you're doing there, Triggs.
Like these ones here, incisors at the front, those ones there, big molars down the back, these guys here, pointy cane and sharp, little bit like Dracula. We love it when you tickle us with your toothbrush, so please don't rush. Take your time when brushing. All of your teeth are really grateful for all the loving care that you provide. We're shiny, squeaky clean, and we're really, really keen that you wear your pearly whites with. Keep on smiling bright with. Wear your pearly whites with pride.
Well, I have to say that was a fantastic performance all round.